Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin. Now, you might be wondering who can benefit from using Bitcoin. Well, let's find out. First and foremost, Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that allows for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for a central authority. This means that anyone with an internet connection and a Bitcoin wallet can participate in the Bitcoin network. Now, who can benefit from using Bitcoin? Well, let's consider a few scenarios. Imagine you're a freelancer who receives payments in different currencies. With Bitcoin, you can easily convert your earnings into a stable currency, such as the US dollar, without the need for a bank. Or perhaps you're a business owner looking to expand globally. Bitcoin allows for fast, secure, and low-cost transactions, making it an attractive option for international payments. Bitcoin is also ideal for those who want to invest in a new and exciting financial market. It's a great way to diversify your portfolio and potentially earn some extra cash. Now, it's important to note that Bitcoin is not without its risks. It's a volatile currency, and its value can fluctuate greatly. So, if you're looking to invest, it's crucial to do your research and invest wisely. So, whether you're a freelancer, a business owner, or a tech enthusiast, Bitcoin could be a valuable addition to your financial portfolio. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy investing!